Unleash your primal health, ignite energy, master your mind, and live limitlessly. Are you tired of feeling stuck in a health rut? Do you dream of waking up every day with boundless energy, laser focus, and an unwavering zest for life? This 8-day NLP and timeline therapy health transformation workshop is the key to unlocking a whole new level of well-being and unleashing the primal you. Are you a sports person or coach looking for flow state mastery? Are you a health and well-being professional wanting to enhance your practice with new tools? Are you someone who's determined to move from surviving to thriving? Or perhaps you love your life and you want to ensure quality of life for the rest of your life? Are you ready to commit to building sustainable vitality through healthy habits and mindfulness? This neuro-linguistic programming and timeline therapy health transformation workshop is for you. Just for a moment now, imagine ditching the snooze button and greeting the day with purpose and fire, fueled by a mindset that propels you forward. Conquering unhealthy habits by rewiring your brain for lasting change. Activating peak physical performance at will. Setting boundaries with grace and communicating your needs confidently and effectively. Mastering emotional triggers and staying centered, leading yourself to optimal health and vibrant energy. Transforming your inner critic from a foe to a supportive friend, cheering you on and no longer holding you back. Crafting achievable, inspiring goals that ignite your energy and propel you forward. Discovering your unique style of self-love and nurturing your immune system into a powerful ally. This immersive journey combines the breathtaking beauty of Sri Lankan sunsets with the life-changing power of NLP and timeline therapy. This potent blend will equip you with the tools and techniques to harness the limitless power of your mind to achieve optimal health and fitness. Break through limitations and rewrite your story. Live life to the fullest with unshakable confidence and vibrant energy. Aim beyond the life you think you deserve. Are you ready to leap outside of your comfort zone? Find the courage to step outside your belief system and give yourself the chance to create mind and body coherence. It's time to work with your body and love it into vibrant health.